Oh, the interactions are really good, and again I got to give the credit to Charles, because he's got such a good way with people anyway, and people relax. I think maybe when they might sign up to the course because they're curious, and once they come onto the course they might feel a bit nervous, like they don't really want to say anything or disclose anything about themselves, but those nerves soon go, because they can see we're not there to judge, we're there to help with services, with knowledge. So yeah, I think, and then people enjoy it, and that's the real good thing about it. And then people are not frightened to disclose, because it's an easy course. Like I say, we're not there to judge, and the things they learn. One of the things we do on the evaluation sheets, you see, we say to them at the beginning, before you came, what was your knowledge of, say, mental health issues? And then after the course, we've got from 2 till 5 or from 3 till 8. You know, the difference is made just being on the session is excellent.